मीठा मीठा तू खारा खारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं मैंने हारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं मीठा मीठा तू खारा खारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं सिंदूरी रंग सुहागन सच्चा सच्चा है सरमाया है पाया है जो ओ तूने माही पाया है मैंने माही पाया है नजर लाई ना कोई नजर लाई ना दिल ने जश्न मनाया है इश्क परोना आया है नजर लाई ना कोई नजर लाई ना तुमको जो छू जाए तो चांद ले जग बेगाना हो नजर लाई ना नजर लाई ना मैंने हारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं मीठा मीठा तू खारा खारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we are covering a song request and I will be teaching you the very popular classic song from AR Rahman, Nazar Laaye from the movie Ranjhanaa. So if you're excited to learn this song, take out your uke. Now tune your uke in standard tune and let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song we need 5 chords and these chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F, chord G and chord B flat. So in case you already know these chords, then you can skip to the next part of this lesson. Else, let's first learn how to play these chords. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and chord G will sound like this. To play chord B flat, you need to bar 1st fret with your index finger like this. Then you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 4th string and chord B flat will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. Now to play this song, we're going to use one common strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. So guys, now I'm going to talk about each section in detail and we're going to start with chorus part. And to play the chorus part, we're going to use 4 chords and these chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F and chord G. Okay, so you will start with chord C and you'll play complete pattern on chord C like this. And then you go to chord F and you play 2 downstrokes there like this. And then you go back to chord C and you play rest of the pattern. Okay, so between chord F and chord C, we segregated this pattern into 2 halves. Okay, so on one chord you play only down, down, and on the other chord you will play up, up, down, down. So when you start singing, it will look like this. मैंने हारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं. Okay, now you have to repeat the same thing. मीठा मीठा तू खारा खारा मैं. Alright, now after that you'll go to chord A minor and you'll play complete pattern on this chord. Sara mein. Okay, so this completes one pattern, one time this pattern. Now you go to chord F and you play 2 downstrokes. Then you go to chord G, you play rest of the pattern. And then you go to chord C. And you play this pattern 2 times there. Okay, now one more time I'm gonna play the entire part. मैंने हारा मैं तेरा सारा मैं, मीठा मीठा तू खारा खारा मैं, तेरा सारा मैं. So the next part of this song would be verse, and to play verse part we're gonna start with chord A minor. So you hold chord A minor and you play this pattern one time. And then you go to chord F and you play 2 downstrokes. And then you again go to chord G and you play rest of the pattern. It's quite similar to what we played in previous parts. Okay, so now if you sing along, it will sound like this. Sinduri rang suhagan sacha sacha hai, sarmaya hai paya hai jo. Okay, now in next part of this section you're gonna use chord C, chord A minor, chord F and chord G. And to play this part we're gonna play this pattern one time per chord. Okay, so it will sound like this. तूने माही पाया है मैंने माही पाया है, नजर लाए ना कोई नजर लाए ना, दिल ने जश्न मनाया है इश्क पर रोना आया है, नजर लाए ना कोई नजर लाए ना. Now after this we're gonna make little adjustment and we'll start with chord C and we'll play the complete pattern. Nazar laaye na. Then we go to chord F, we play 2 downstrokes, तुमको जो, and then we go to chord C, छू जाए तो. Okay, so it will sound like this. नजर लाए ना तुमको जो छू जाए तो, चांद ले जग बेगाना हो. Okay, or if you want you can just play a single stroke on chord G like this. Now after this we'll have the melody part, and to play the melody part we're going to use 4 chords, and these chords are chord C, chord B flat, chord F and chord G. So this is very simple. You will start with chord C, you will play 2 downstrokes on this chord, then you go to chord B flat and you'll play the rest of the pattern. Then you go to chord F, you play 2 downstrokes, and then you go to chord G and you play rest of the pattern, and you repeat it 2 times. So it will sound like this. Nazar laaye na, nazar laaye na. So you can end with a single downstroke or you can play the entire pattern. Now after this you can again play the chorus part, and that's how you can play the entire song. So guys, that was it. I'm sure you must have liked this lesson. Please subscribe to ukeguide and make sure you hit the bell icon. And in case you have a song request or you have a doubt, then you can connect me on Instagram and I will be more than happy to help you with your queries. So until next time, do take care and bye-bye.